welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. Today I am just going to be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy. Yay! So this is my June's Ipsy. I'm just now opening it up. So yeah, I just want to make this a quick video. I won't take too long. I've already opened up today's Ipsy bag. Usually I wait to open it up with y'all, but I actually have some of the product on my face right now, so I want to show you what it looks like on, because I thought, you know, I always open up my Ipsy and my Beauty Box 5 boxes and stuff, and I always say I'm going to make a review or whatever on the actual product, and I always forget to do that. So today I opened it up and actually tried some of the product so that I could actually show you what it looks like. Okay, so I really like the bag. It's orange and black. The reason I like it is because I grew up here in Castroville, and these were my high school colors, orange and black. So that's kind of cool to be back in Texas and with my school colors. I don't have my contacts in right now, so I can't see what this says, and the light is so bright, but this is what the card looks like this month. And this is one of the things that I have on is the It Cosmetics. Let me see, try to show it. It's, the light is so bright, I'm so sorry. It is, it says Universal Eyebrow Pencil, and it also has a little brush with it, so that's so cool. It says with active brow enhancing technology. So does that mean that it's supposed to help your brows grow bigger? That would be good, because the older I'm getting, the more sparse my brows are getting. So let me see if I can show this a little closer. There's what the pencil is going to look like, and I just dropped stuff out of my bag. Let me pick it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's silver. And let me see if I can get closer again. I should just stay up here, shouldn't I? So this is what it looks like. And this is what one end of it looks like. Other end looks like a little brush, and this is what it looks like on me. I actually used this on my eyebrows today. So the light's a little bright, so it's not letting it show up very well, but I like it, and I like the color. I wasn't sure if the color would match with my hair, but it looks pretty good, don't you think? So that's kind of handy. I love this. I think I'll keep this in my purse. I don't know why, but I always keep the stuff from my Ipsys and from my beauty boxes in my purse, maybe because they're trial sizes, so I always think they're perfect for my purse. So that's one thing that's in there. And then the other thing that I have on is it's Trestique, and oh my goodness, I can't see. It's Venetian Gold, and it's a mini shadow crayon, and this is what it looks like. But I actually didn't put it on as eyeshadow. I put it on right here in the corners, in the inner corners of my eye. So that's what this shade looks like, Venetian Gold. And then one other thing is 100% healthy, pure vanilla, the healthy body butter, instant hydration. So there's that. I haven't even tried it. I always like to smell things. See how it feels. It actually smells like a guy's cologne, in my opinion. It smells good though. Boys smell good. Okay, the next thing that I got is from Smashbox, and it's a photo finish foundation primer, and it says it's oil free. I should have tried this today too. That way I could tell you whether or not I liked it. So the next thing that came in my Ipsy is Formula X Nail Color. Hey, what color does it say it is? I don't know. I already opened it up. It's really cute. It's in the shade of my favorite color, which my favorite color is pink. So let me see if I can find an actual color though. Power Source. Is that the actual color? Power Source. So this is the color. Anything in the shade of pink, in my opinion, is adorable. So that's the shade. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. Alright, so that's what's in my Ipsy. couple of the products look like on that day, so that's awesome. If you're interested in any of these products that I showed you, just go to the store at Ipsy.com and you can get some of these products. These are the trial sizes, and that's why they like sending these out, because if you like the trial size product and you fall in love with it, you can go to their store and order the regular size, so that's kind of cool too. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple minutes because I'm going to do a Beauty Box 5 unboxing. Should I change tops for that one? Nah. So you'll see me again in this same top. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in a minute. Bye, I love you.